would like to introduce the bi-directional function of the ask. Our ask supports two methods to do the bi-directional. First, if you use the touch panel, we could operate on the touch panel to realize the bi-direction. But if you use the display monitor without touch function, we could also connect our mouse to the receiver. So now I will show you how to use the bi-directional. First one, this one is the touch panel. We have connected the touch USB port to the receiver USB port. And for now, let's use the expose to show you. We could see when we operate on the touch panel, and has the touch feedback on our PC. And for the method 2, if we do not use the touch panel, we could use the mouse connect to the receiver USB port. And for now, I will show you how to use the mouse. Every operation will have the feedback on our laptop. That's all for the bi-directional function of the ask.